Hey folks, welcome back to Horse Pen Ranch, the Horse Pen Ranch YouTube channel. Today we're at Wagons for Warriors in Lebanon, Missouri. It's a veterans event that we try to do every year. We're going to show you some sights and sounds and maybe show you a recipe. So hey, don't go anywhere. Stay tuned. All right, guys, we got the beans on, we've got the coffee on, we got the beef tips. We're making beef tips today. Kenny Matlock is over here on our fire. We got beans and actually them are beef tips and coffee over there going. We're cheating right now. We got the beans on a propane burner. So cameraman, show them all the wagons we have around here. We got an Army, World War II Army set up over here on the left. And then we've got wagons everywhere, guys. Wagons are everywhere. And it's about 7:30 in the morning, and at about noon, this place is gonna be full of folks wanting samples. They get an armband for $15. All goes to charity. All goes to Wagons for Warriors, local veterans, and so it's for a great cause. They'll raise probably over $20,000 for veterans in this area. So we love coming and supporting this. But stay tuned. We're gonna make. We have an idea. We've never done this, but we're going to make our 2-ingredient biscuits again, but we're going to put some jalapeños in them and some cheese in them, okay? And so stay tuned for that. We've done cheese and jalapeños and biscuits before, but we're just going to try this out, and we'll show you how it turns out later on. So stay tuned. Thanks for joining us today. All right, guys, we're making our 2-ingredient biscuits right here. We're adding our heavy cream to our 2 cups of self-rising flour. And we're going to mix it good. And the twist we're going to have it on this time is we're going to have some de-seeded, chopped jalapeños and some cheese in here. I'm going to be crazy with these. Done it with all the other biscuits before, so it shouldn't be a problem to do it with this one. So we're going to see. I'm going to roll them out, put them in a pan and stick them in Dutch oven and see how they turn out. Hopefully they'll turn out good. All right, we'll try that. We're going to sprinkle. We're not measuring this. So these are de-seeded. We'll call that about good. And we're going to put, I got pepper jack cheese. I'm about a cup in there. We'll call that good right there. Now adding this stuff, I may have to have some more liquid. We'll see here. No, that's going to be good, folks. That's going to be good. Work it a little bit. Got the cheese in there. Got the chunks of jalapeno in there. Looking good. I'm gonna put a little bit more flour on the flour table a little bit. Got cheese going everywhere. That's all right. We don't give a rip. All right, I'm gonna roll this out now. You never know if this stuff's gonna work when you try it. We're only feeding about 100 people today, so I hope it works. There you go, there's our little biscuits, guys. Just like that. What they're gonna look like. They have cheese in them. Hopefully everybody get a bite of jalapeno. You guys get the idea. So, we got all kinds of people coming around the wagon wanting to talk. It's a lot. That's what we love doing this, visiting with people. All right, we'll come back here in just a minute and we'll show you the finished product, and we'll see if they turn out. Stay tuned. All right, guys. Hey, they turned out. Check them out. We got a bunch of batches going. We're making more. So I'm gonna give them. I always gotta do a taste test. Got the jalapenos in there, got the cheese in there. Excellent, excellent, excellent. So try this. Hey, add whatever you want to your biscuits. Not just the 2-ingredient biscuits, but all biscuits. So check us out. We're getting more busy. We're about an hour and a half till we start serving. We're over making more biscuits over there with the Dutch ovens, Kenny's. And now we got apple fritters. You guys have, I got a video on the peach fritters. We've got blueberry fritters and we've got peach fritters in there. And so folks are just coming in everywhere. We'll try to get some more video of this. And guys, thanks for watching our video. We packed up. We're back at the Munger Moss Hotel on Route 66 in Lebanon, Missouri. This place is super cool. If you ever get to Lebanon, you ever get to travel Route 66, you gotta stay at the Munger Moss Hotel. It's a throwback place. It's really, really cool, really clean place, and a good place to stay. We had a great day. We served our food. We served probably over 125, 30 people in probably about 30 minutes of samples. Maybe 150 people. It was a lot of folks. It went really well. They raised a lot of money for veterans here in this area of Lebanon, Missouri. So thanks for watching. Try these biscuits out. Again, we just did the 2-ingredient biscuits. We added some the cheese and added the jalapeno peppers de-seeded, and that turned out great. Everybody loved them. So there you go. Hey, thanks for watching. Until next time on Horse Pen Ranch.